Today we will show you how to make a face pack for glowing skin at home. Today we will start making this beautiful natural face pack with a natural ingredient, which you can use as a vegetable or fruit. Its need in salads is immense. Cucumber is an ingredient that you can use for any skin type. Basically it contains antioxidants such as vitamin A and vitamin C. In addition, its soothing and cooling hydrating effect helps our skin rejuvenate it. It has maximum water content, which is very good for dry skin. Its mild astringent property is considered very effective to reduce skin tan and irritation, which is mainly experienced by people with dry skin. We are always inspired to use natural ingredients. And we present to you those DIY face packs which we have used and have benefited from. Now we will extract the juice from it with the help of a sieve. We could use whole cucumber paste, but here we will just use the juice for better work, because we will try to add some more ingredients to make our face pack more effective to get the glow fast. Now firstly we want clear, bright and glowing skin from this homemade pack, as well as we also need a nice soft creamy texture that will stick to the face. Vitamin B present in rice flour helps in the new cells regeneration. As a result we will have a healthy skin, free from any wrinkles and fine lines. The best pack will be made when it will be useful in many skin issues. Now it is also necessary to get rid of the black spots on our face to get clear skin. For this reason, lemon is a very popular ingredient in our ancient Ayurvedic remedies. Vitamin C present in it helps in lightening blemishes, dark spots and pigmentation from our skin naturally. Now mix everything to make a thick paste. Then using of this face pack routinely, we will get a beautiful spots-free, wrinkle-free, healthy, bright and glowing skin staying at home.